another Dunder method which I want to show you. It's called wrapper. So what does it mean? I will clean it like this. So this is my code, and now I would like to print the object only like this. I will run it, and you can see that here we have something what represent the object, but it's nothing useful for us. And I would like to say, if you want to print an object, so do something special. And if you want to print the object, it's called wrapper method. So this method, it's called automatically if you want to print the object, okay? And here is only self, because there are no two objects, two numbers, for example, two objects or something like that. It's only how you can how you want to print the information about the object. How do you want to print the object? So what should this line do? So I will put it like here, and we can, for example, return something like this. This is object with two coordinates, only like this. So it means if you want to print it, this method will be called automatically, and it will return this text and print it. So if I will run it, you can oh, sorry, like this. Again, this object with two coordinates. So it means if you want to print the second object, p2, I mean this object, it will does the same. This is object with two coordinates, this is object with two coordinates. And it's now, guys, again, it's up to you what it does. So for example, I can change it to f string, and this is object with two coordinates, self.x and self.y, for example. And again, if I will print it, it will call this method automatically, and this will be returned. I will run it. This is object with two coordinates 3 and 4. This is object with two coordinates 10 and 20. So now you can decide what will be returned when you print the object, and this method take care of it.